I have no idea what I'm doing.
I'm gonna just move right along behind you.
All right, I'm good.
But shooter, are you ready?
Nope. I'm joking.
Okay, set it up. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
No, fuck it.
He was a boy, she was a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? He was a punk, she did ballet. What more can I say? He wanted her, she never tell. Secretly she wanted him as well. And all of her friends stuck up their nose. They had a problem with his clothes. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. She had a pretty face, but her head was up in space. She needed to come back down to earth.
Come on.
5 years from now,
Go.
she sits at home, feeding the baby. She's
Hey, or Matt? What?
she turns on TV. Guess who she sees? Skater boy rocking up MTV. She calls up her friends. They already know, and they bought her tickets to see his show. She tags along, stands in the crowd, looks up at the man that she turned down.
Good.
He was a skater boy. She said, "See you later, boy." He wasn't good enough for her.
Come on.
Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar. Did you better see what he's worth? He was a
I might as well give it a shot,
skater boy.
right?
She said, "See you later, boy." He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar. Did your pretty face see
Nope.
what he's worth?
Always fine. Come on, stop moving.
Sorry, girl, but you missed out. What tough luck, that boy's mine now. We are more than just good friends. This is how the story ends. Too bad that you couldn't see the man that boy could be. There is more than meets the eye. I see the soul that is inside. He's just a boy, and I'm just a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? We are in love. Haven't you heard how we rock each other's world? I'm with the skater boy. I said, see you later, boy. I'll be backstage after the show. I'll be at the studio singing the song we wrote about the girl you used to know. I'm with the skater boy. I said, see you later, boy. I'll be backstage after the show. I'll be at the studio
Clear. Drop it.
singing the song
Yeah.
we wrote
Yep.
about the girl you
And hammer
used to
and level down.
Cool. Thanks, guys.